Roads are great for moving cars fast. Streets are places where people meet and business happens. But what happens when we try and do both? Then we get the dangerous stroad. Let's unpack that for a bit. Here we are at Warman Road, and it is a perfect example of a road. Wide lanes, a protected median, few intersections. This is a place where cars can move fast without much hassle. If we move further along Warman Road, we get to 2nd Avenue in the heart of downtown. Thinner lanes, angled parking, and curb bump outs. The complex nature of the street announces to cars that pedestrians are here. A street is a destination, a place to stop and stay a while. And that's the main difference between a road and a street. A road moves you places, and a street is a place you stop and enjoy. What happens when we try and mix a street and a road, though, is a stroad. A place that tries to be both a high-speed route and a destination. Instead of the limited access we see along a street, a road has parking lots. It has multiple curb cuts. It has many intersections. It also has places to be. The result of this conflict in uses is carnage. We have two options for what to do with a stroad. One, turn it into a street. The other, turn it into a road. So what does it take to turn a stroad into a street? This means embracing the complexity of a street. Narrower lanes, curb bump outs, angled parking, making it a pleasant place to be around and an unpleasant place to drive through at high speeds. When we turn a stroad into a street, businesses will start to see more foot traffic. Unproductive parking lots can be turned into new businesses. We have more road space for bikes and people and planters. The street becomes a more pleasant place to be in. If we want Saskatoon to be more vibrant, we're going to have to turn more of our stroads into streets. Luckily, Saskatoon is starting to make those changes. This is the site of the new library, and City Council is asking what it will take to turn this stroad into a street. Option 2A is pretty good. It reduces the amount of through lanes and increases pedestrian safety. But right now, the short-term option, option 4, is to do nothing at all. If we want to make change, we need your help. And if you want to help us make change, you should join Strong Towns YXC. Meet some new people and help us advocate for the change we want in our community.